In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add the Facebook chat to your Shopify store. So for this, we need Shopify, and we also need this website called Elfsight. Now Elfsight is going to help us add the Facebook chat. So you want to go to elfsight.com, then click on widgets right there. Next up, hit search or click on chats right there. That's probably easier. Scroll down right there, you'll find Facebook chat. Click on it, click on create widget at the top right corner. Next up, you can choose a template. So you can have the general one, the support one, the sale, the booking. Then we have feedback, onboarding, consultation. So they have 9 different templates on this website. I'll go with the general one and then click on continue with this template. Next up, connect your Facebook so that you can actually receive the messages and customize this if you want to. If you're done with that, click on join to install and sign up for an account. I already have an account, so I'm going to sign into my account, and then they should send you back to the page. Yes, there we go. So that you can hit save at the top right corner. Once you're here, you want to click on add to website, copy this code, and then go back to Shopify. Click on online store, go to themes, which it will do automatically. Click on actions, click on edit code. Next up, you want to go to theme.liquid, go all the way down and paste it right there. So you can see this one, that's an old widget. I'm going to paste that code. So this code right there, all the way here, click save, and there you go. That's pretty much how you can do this. And you'll see the Facebook button on this empty store right there. So that's how you can add a Facebook live chat. If this video helps you out, leave a like, and then I'll see you next time. Have a good day.